Hey guys, it's Neil. Welcome back to the GIZGUIDE channel, and in this video we are unboxing the new GMA Affordabox. Now this has become very popular on our website recently, so we decided to get one to unbox for you guys. Now this one here is like a plug and play to your TV, so you can watch all your favorite GMA channels at the comfort of your own home. Alright, let's get to the unboxing. Take my knife. Alright. Okay, what do we have here? Alright. Okay, so right out of the box we have the box itself. Let's put it out of its bubble wrap and let's put it on the side here. Okay, we get some free AAA batteries. I assume that this is for the remote. Put it on the side. Okay, we have here some cables, audio, video cables. I haven't seen these in a while. Now this is what you put at the back of your TV that are the same colors, red, white, and yellow. And of course, this is the remote. Let's check if we were right with the colors. Alright, as you can see here. Alright, let's try to put the batteries in. Alright. Put that onto the side one first. Then of course, let's see what's inside this one. It's sealed tight. Good thing we have a knife. Alright, now let's, oh okay. Let's do this one first. Okay guys, this is the antenna. Cylindrical, and there's a threads inside so we can screw it at, I presume is this one. Alright, let's try it. Okay, so as you can see guys, this is a coaxial cable. Now if you guys have cable, and before those boxes were introduced, we used to use this coaxial cable to plug it on the back of your TV. And with this antenna, and I think it's very long as well, let's see how will that work out later. Okay, so apparently there is a warranty, customer copy and a store copy. And we have a quick start guide. Alright, let's follow this in a few minutes. And lastly guys, we have the user manual. Of course, no product would be complete without the user manual. Of course, we'll just put this to one side and we'll try to assemble the Affordabox from GMA. Okay guys, as you can see, this is everything inside the box. Of course, I've already pre-placed the batteries inside the remote. I'll show you again. It's over there. Now you get two AAAs, and then of course we have the box. Let's look at the quick start guide first. Alright, so as you can see here, the step one is to put these cables, the AVIs, into the back of the box. So of course, let's untie these. Put it on the red, the white, and the yellow. Alright, so we're supposed to plug this into a TV. Alright, so I'll get my mini TV over here. I just happen to have a small TV with me. So let's put it here. As you can see, there's a red one, there's a white one, and of course a yellow one. Alright, let's put this TV down first, and then we have to plug the antenna. Okay, so this is the antenna guys. We have to plug the antenna at back of the Affordabox over here. Here, where an ant in. Alright. Alright. Now all we have to do is plug the TV and the GMA Affordabox into a power plug. Alright. Luckily I have an extension cord over here. Alright. Let's put the Affordabox over here. Okay, let's move the TV down. Okay, this is our small TV. And then I put the Affordabox here on the side. Let's see if it works. Okay guys, I just plugged the GMA Affordabox to my small TV over here. It's over here. I'll take out the camera. As you can see, it's sliding up over there. I press the power button and then I put my TV on the AV source. Alright, so now let's set it up. I'm using the remote over here. Okay guys, after the initial setup of where I'm from, it automatically switched to signal search, and right now it's looking for signals where we can watch from the Affordabox. Dami ah. The Affordabox is over there. I can't put it into frame right now because the cord is too short. Alright, it's almost done. Alright, saving. Now it's searching for signals. Okay, we're watching some channels. Alright. That's pretty good.
De-deliver ng dessert. Tawagan mo lang ang motor ni Jack.
Okay, ayos yan.
Ayos!
Alright.
Okay ka na ba?
This is pretty nice. The signal's actually pretty good as well. Sharp. The images are sharp. Maganda yung sound quality rin, guys. You can also browse through the different channels that you have. Puro test broadcast tayo. Tingnan natin kung makapula tayo ETC. Ayan, meron ngang ETC guys. So, astig. Ayan. So as you can see guys, Huawei presents App Gallery. Wow. Okay guys, I think that is it for our short unboxing and a quick assembly of the GMA Affordabox. Now if you have more questions and want to know more about news, reviews of tech, you can visit us at GIZGUIDEPH from Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, or you can visit our website www.gizguide.com. This has been Neil, and see you in the next video.